Hello students, welcome to your maths lecture. So children, today we are going to start a new chapter in maths, that is money. Okay, so we are going to start a new chapter and the name of the chapter is money. We all know what is money, right? Okay, so now let's learn further. So children, tell me one thing, that have your parents done any shopping during lockdown? Yes. Yes, children, because they must be going out to buy fruits, vegetables, and the essential things, right? Now, can you tell me, do you eat fruits and vegetables? Yes, we all eat it, right? So now, from where do your parents buy fruits and vegetables? So, do they buy fruits and vegetables from mall and market? Yes. Okay. And now, children, what do they give to the shopkeeper in return? So, when the shopkeeper gives fruits or vegetables to your parents, then children, what do your parent give them in return? Because that shopkeeper will not give it for free, right? So children, we give them money, right? So your parents buy fruits, vegetables, and everything by giving money. Okay. So children, money is used to buy things, and then children, we need money to buy everything like fruits, vegetables, dresses, bags, all the essential things in our life. We need money because without money we cannot buy anything, because without money no shopkeeper or anyone will give us anything, right? Will not give us anything. So, children, we are going to learn about different notes and coins used in our country, India. Okay, and children, Indian money is in the form of notes and coins. Indian money is in the form of notes and coins, and each note and coin has different denomination. Okay, each note and coin have different denomination because the figures, the numbers written on it are different, and even the color is also different, right? And the number written on the note and coin is the value of that note and coin. Okay, so if on the note it is written 5, then and then that is 5 rupees. Okay, and then if it is written 10, then it is of 10 rupees, that note is of 10 rupees. Okay, all the notes and coins are denoted by symbols. Okay, only coins with number 25 and 50 are denoted as 25 paise and 50 paise. And children, P stands for paise, and 1 rupee equals to 100 paise, right? But children, we don't use them nowadays. Okay, so nowadays we don't use paisa. Okay, and children, 5 and 10 are both coins and notes. Okay, so children, 5 rupees and 10 rupees are the only one which we have coins as well as notes also. So we have 5 rupee coin, and we have 10 rupees note and coin both. And we also have 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee note. Okay, and we also had 2 rupees also. Okay, so children, now let's know our coins, right? So here you can see coins. So coin, so what is written on them? Can you tell me the number? Can you tell me the number which number is written on it? It is 1. So it is 1 rupee coin. And here you can see. Okay, here you can see the coins, how it is. Here you can see both the sides of the coins. How is it? Right. So you can observe, you can take different coins at your home and you can observe the coins. Okay. Then here children, which number is written? It is written 2, right? So it is a 2 rupee coin. So you can see 2 rupee coin is also different, is 2 rupee coin is also different, and then 1 rupee coin is also different, right? So these are the 2 rupee coins and you can see it's different, right? So there are many different coins in 2 rupees also, and there are different coins in 1 rupee also. Here you can see 5 rupee coins, right? So here also you can see different size coins, right? And there's different color also here. So and then here the number written on it is 5, so it is a 5 rupee coin. Here you can see different shape, number, colors, right? And even different patterns also here. Now next is 10 rupee coin. So this is the new one. So children, what is it? It is a 10 rupee coin, because here it is written 1010. So it is a 10 rupee coin. You can see how different, what is there, what is written here. It is written 10 rupees in English, and also it is written in Hindi also. Right? Here it is written which year, that is 2005. Right? So you have to observe the coins. Just because we are at home, we are not at school, so what you will do is, you will take the coins, you will collect the coins, and then you will observe the coins. Okay, so you will see the coins of so you will see the coins both the sides. Okay, and then you will come to know. So now let's know our notes. So here are the notes. So as I taught you, the number written on it, you have to see the number. It is a 10 number, right? So it is 10 rupees. Here 20, so it is a 20 rupee note. Here 50, so it is a 50 rupee note. 100, so it is a 100 rupee note. Then 5, so it is a 5 rupee note, right? So you can see, children, all the notes are same. No, it's not same. All these notes are different from each other. Even the colors are different, right? Even the colors are different, the numbers written on it are different, and even the some of the notes, even the size are different, right? So it's not same. So in the notes we have 10 rupee note, 20, 50, 100, 5, right? So this is a 5 rupee note, children. So here you can see it. Okay, 5 rupee note. Children, can you tell me who is this? Who is this man on the note? Can you tell me? Because we are also learnt a lesson, right? It was Bapu's chappal. Yes. So who is he? He is Mahatma Gandhi. Right. Who is he? He is the father of the nation. So his photo is there in all the notes. So it is a 5 rupee note, right? So this is the front side and this is the back side of the note. Same way as you can see a 10 rupee note here. It is written 10, so it is a 10 rupee note. This is the front side and this is the back side, right? And all the notes are different from each other. So 20 rupee new note. Okay, so children, if you see, the color is also different here, right? So it is a 20 rupee note. Then comes 50 rupee note. Then comes what? 50 rupee note. Here it is written 5050. And children, this symbol you can see near 50, that is of rupee. Okay. Then comes 100 rupee note. Here it's written 100, so it is 100 rupee note. So now this is the front side and this is the back side of the note, right? Then comes 200 rupee note. Here it's written 200. So it is a 200 rupee note. You can see all the notes are different from each other and even the colors are different, right? Then comes 500 note. Here it's written 500. So it is a 500 note. You can see this is the front side and this is the back side of the note, right? Now comes the big digit note, that is 2000 note. Okay, here it's written 2000, so it is 2000 number note. And the number which is written here, it is also different in all the notes. Okay, here you can see 00000, right? So those numbers are different in all the notes. Okay children, so today we saw which note, that is 2000, then 500, 200, 100, 50, 20, 10 and 5. Okay, So children, today what you have to do is you have to collect all the notes. Right, what you have to do? So you can collect all the notes and you can have a look. Okay, and then you can have a look and you can observe that what is written on it. Okay, and you can send me your photographs with the notes. Okay, so today you will see all the notes, you will observe them, and also you will observe this coins also, right? So you will take it in your hand and you will see the surface, you will see what is written on it. Okay, so you have to do this today. Okay, so that's all for today. So tomorrow we'll learn something new in the chapter money. Okay children, so see you soon in your next lecture.